Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Welcome back to my page. Pray that you all are doing well. This is Erica guys, Love Simple Cooking TV. And so guys, today I'm gonna make some steamed snapper. Already cleaned the snapper and wash it down with some lime juice. And so guys, I am gonna season it up. Bring up the camera closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. And so guys, I'm just gonna make some mark in the fish right here. And I'm not gonna cut these guys, I'm gonna steam them just the way they are. So I'm only cutting, making mark one side. One side. Guys, things is so expensive. Can you imagine? $28 for these 3 snapper. Let me put this in my sink guys, because now that I touch it I can use it. I washed it and I need to wash my hand guys. I'll be back guys. So guys, right here in the bowl I have some all-purpose season. Stop your mama has all-purpose seasoning guys. I don't know why they name it this way, but guess what, this is what I'm gonna use. It have a nice flavor. Using some ginger powder and some salt-free Mrs. Dash. And so guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of oil. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil on the fish. Not a lot guys. A little bit of oil. I have 2 kind of oil guys. I have an oil that I infuse in annatto oil. I'm also going to put a little tip on it because I want it to get a nice color. So I put a little bit of that on it, not a lot. And then guys, I'm going to add the powder seasoning. This one already have salt guys. The powder seasoning have salt. So I am not going to put a lot of it on here. So guys, you see inside of the fish nice and clean. You use the point of the knife to clean out the inside of the fish. And so guys, I'm gonna put the seasoned salt in the head of the fish, all over the fish guys. See, put the seasoned salt in there. The powder seasoning you're gonna put right here. Same thing, put the powder season and then you put it on the inside. And next one inside guys, you're gonna put the season all over the fish inside. For those of us who like fish head, I like to eat my fish head. I don't throw my fish head, I eat my fish head guys. So you just pour this powder seasoning in the cutting part of the fish, and then guys, I'm gonna rub everything together, all the seasoning in guys, and then I'm rubbing everything together guys. Rub the seasoning all over the fish, rub the oil, the oil in the pan. Right here guys, you see I'm putting the fish in the oil that I have here because I want it to marinate. Turn it down, let it marinate. The same oil that is in the pan guys, I'm gonna use this oil also to steam the fish. So now guys, I'm gonna let this marinate for a while, and I have some vegetables. Yes guys, I have to scrape off the this is not my hand. And so now I'm gonna go wash my hand guys. I'll be back guys. So now guys, I'm gonna cut up the stuff that I'm gonna use to steam the fish. So I'm gonna use some carrots. So I already wash and peel the carrots guys. So you just slice them up, not too big guys. Slice it and you're gonna steam it a little bit. You're gonna put it to steam with the fish guys. Try not to make this video too long. So guys, while I'm cutting up this, I'm gonna let the video go silent. And then I'll be back with my boys. So right here guys, this carrot, sweet pepper, onion and thyme, it's parsley and scallion. So this is what I'm going to use to cook them, to steam the fish with some coconut powder. Okay guys, so this is some zucchini. I clean the zucchini guys. I always take out my zucchini skin guys. I don't really like to put the zucchini in the skin. So guys, I'm just going to steam zucchini skin. So I just take out the skin and slice it up like this, and then I'm gonna season it up and steam it down. Not with the fish guys, I'm gonna steam this separately. Because guys, I don't use the skin of vegetable sometimes, depends on what it is, because they spray them with different stuff. So I rather just take off the skin. So guys, if you want to do, just do the zucchini like this. Just slice it up. Guys, this is some chocho. They call, some people call it chayote, chayote or some chai, but this is chocho. From where I am, from Jamaica, they call it chocho. I'm not doing a big cooking today guys, I'm just doing the fish and the vegetable. I already have some rice in my fridge. If the kids want to eat the rice, they can. Cooking much guys, because when I cook guys, the kids eat food from outside sometimes and they, so this is some scallion guys. They call it green onion from other countries. Where I'm from they call it scallion. So that's some scallion. There's some parsley. Just cut up the parsley. Parsley. I'm gonna put up some sweet pepper. The sweet pepper is from my garden guys, but it looks like I pick it before it fit. But it was cold outside, so I just picked them. I'm just steaming everything together. Right here guys, I have some beans. I picked the last, maybe, I don't know if it's the last set, because every time I say it's the last set of beans, every time I go around there in the backyard garden, there's more beans. So I got these beans from the garden. Maybe I shouldn't even cut them up. I should just steam them just so. Guys, there's no chemical or anything on these beans. I just plant them, water them. That's it. So I think I'm just gonna steam them just the way they are and cutting them up. So I think I get like a handful of beans. Some of them already have but that's okay. Just look at the top part, guys. That's the piece that come from the tree. This is more than a handful, right? I'm grateful for the little that I get from my garden. I got potato, I got spinach, I got I didn't get this year is cucumber. I don't know what happened. The cucumber tree didn't die. So this is some happy cucumber that I already cut out before. So everything here, guys, I'm just gonna season it up. Alright, guys, so now same seasoning, guys, that I put on the fish, the same seasoning I'm gonna use in here. So I'm putting a piece of thyme, and guys, this is tomato. I'm gonna put one in the fish, and this is, I'm gonna just put a little piece. I took out this skin. This is tomato that I keep in get from my garden. So some of these I get from my garden, and I keep them in my freezer. So I'm just gonna cut them up. You just keep it in your freezer, guys, defrost it, and then you just cut it up in your stuff. So that piece gonna go into the fish. So right here, guys, I'm just slicing it up, slice up it, you put some water on it, and when it defrost or not fully defrost, you take off the skin. And that's there, that's it, guys. Right here, guys, it's some onion, sweet pepper that I have in my freezer, guys. You can keep stuff in your freezer, guys, and then take it out when you're ready to cook. So you see right here, guys, I just put that in there, and I'm gonna put back the rest in the freezer. So now, guys, the same seasoning I use to season up the fish, I'm putting a little bit of this powder that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger powder. A little bit of ginger, this Mrs. Dash, salt free, masala. And I have some garlic over here. Oh, guys, I forget to put garlic. Garlic paste. Something for the fish. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Try not to use too much because I'm going to use some coconut oil to steam it. Guys, I'm watching my intake of all these excess stuff. So now I'm going to rub everything in. It's just like if I'm seasoning up the fish. So then it will, everything, you know. Even onion, guys, if you have too much onion, you can cut it up and bag it up, guys, and put it in the freezer. So here you go, guys, there you go, the vegetable is ready, and I'm gonna start cook everything, guys. So watch the process, guys. I'm gonna go wash my hands and get ready for the cooking. So guys, this is it, everything nice and seasoned, just like if you season up. This is not seasoned up as yet because I already seasoned up the fish, so I'm not gonna season this. Alright, guys, I'll be back. This is Grace coconut powder.